open your, you can minimize this WhatsApp and open your, are you there?
Yes.
Are you there?
Yes.
Hmm? Hello?
Yes. Hi.
Go ahead. Just,
Now we can add. Let's add it.
oh, okay. I was saying that I like what you did with this.
Thank you.
So you put, you only needed one BR, right?
Yes.
Hello, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Your
Go back to the app.
internet is
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. But I'll replace it. I'll use another one next time.
okay.
Okay, so yeah, I was saying that you use only one BR, right?
Yes. That's for
Notice
tips
you
and
have three images. Uh, you have three images. Then you have
and if
like,
I should have
let me see
9
how many.
images, it will be equal. I can just put another BR and the one will go down and it will go down. How to see it without the BR?
If you, okay, go ahead. You can try to start the BR. You will see everything will line up in one straight line. That's what will happen.
It's okay like this.
Exactly. This was what I was trying to tell you that yesterday, that if you do it without the BR, this is how it will look. But it's fine. Now the thing is that you leave more part of the page underneath empty, except if you have something to fill it up. Do you understand?
But you
Something
said we
like,
will. You said we will
I said we
see
will
if you
do.
can ask the user of the app to choose.
To
To
choose. Okay,
choose.
okay, that's fine. Or to specify their own. Uh, now to specify their own favorite food. We I don't know, but I'm thinking they should do that through a prompt function. What do you think?
Yes.
They
And
should
you
do that
said,
through a prompt
and
function,
aren't you
right?
also supposed to have a fall for the drinks, bar fave drinks, and alert?
Okay, yes, of course, of
That
course.
is
We
supposed
can
to
have a
ask
we can have a separate. That's
B. It'll be
yes.
called
So
B.
that's exactly what you can do. So you can go ahead and do that. But don't make it a nested for loop. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Don't make it nested for loop. Make it two separate for loops, one coming after the other. Do you understand?
Like this. Oh,
You understand
is
what
this
I'm saying, right?
closing caliber for this also?
Uh-huh. Yes, exactly like that. So you copy and paste.
Like that?
So you have to change the name of the array. I think you should copy and paste. Copy and paste to save yourself that stress. No, not like that. You have to copy the whole. When you're copying, copy with the body. So remove and delete it, only brace to the closing place. That's what you should copy.
The oh, control Z, control Z, control.
You get it now, right? Be careful, be careful. Don't
Control Z, control Z, control Z, control Z, control Z.
okay. So copy everything. Yes, that's better. Copy everything all the way to the closing curly brace.
Oh, control C, control C, control C, control C, control C.
Mm-hmm. Control C and Control V. Yes. Okay, so now you can make your changes. Mhm.
Sorry. Done.
That's nice.
Want to wear clothes, you will
So
sit
do you want
down.
to test it or do
To
you
wear
want to
clothes.
change
When
it?
you get to my age, maybe we will give you bed. When you get to my age,
So you see that
I'll
change
give
that
you
you just
bed.
made? So that it's like
Huh?
Ugo, are you there?
I can't hear. Yes.
When it
Mommy,
can you
can
hear
hear you.
now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Hello, Ugo, are you there? So that's
Yes.
foods that you just said now. The F is just food. You need to change it in other places. So make sure that you make that change now. Don't forget. Yes, that place too. Exactly.
Good.
Okay, I think everything is good now. I'm thinking everything.
What about the prompt function?
Yes. Okay, you want us to do the one function at once?
Yes. Do I?
Okay. So for this one function, I'm going to go. Can you see after the second for loop, the closing curly brace for the second for loop?
Yes.
Uh-huh. That's where we're going to put it. The
Enter.
reason why we have to put it there is because
Can someone help me get?
Yes, as it is now.
What did you say? Hello. 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 What's happening with this?
Okay, I'm here.
What's happening with your internet?
I'm not sure now. I just hope it's going to be fine, sure.
Okay.
Okay, so you wanted us to add the prompt function, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so we'll add it so you have your cursor now. After the closing brace, curly brace of the second for loop. Okay, so that prompt function is going to be inside a while loop. You understand?
Inside.
A while loop. Do you get it? Do you know why it should be inside a while loop?
No.
Because we want it to be repeated because the user may have more than one favorite food to add to what we already have. Do you get it now?
Yes.
Okay. So let's take a look. Okay, so there where you have your cursor, you know how to type a while loop now. Do you know how to do you
While G.
hmm? Are you still there, bro?
Yes, I'm here.
Bro, are you there?
Yes.
You don't remember. You just say that you don't remember now to save us time. Do you remember how to
No. Just go to search on the internet. Mommy.
Okay. At that asking, do you remember how to type your while loop? Yes. Do you remember how to type your while loop? Do you remember?
Just type while.
Okay, so yes, it's as simple as starting with while, but that's not the first thing. You need to sort out the variable. You remember for your for loop, that's where you have that var A and var B. Those are your counting variables, right? Now, if you notice, those ones are part of the for loop. They are inside, they are within the for loop. For the while loop, its own starts before you type while. So that place where you have your cursor, they are going to, you've removed, no, before you type the while, you have to create your variable. Okay. So delete the while first. Delete the while. Delete the while. Now let's use var I and var j for this one. So do var I and set it to 0. Assignment operator 0. Var I assignment operator 0. No, I didn't. Don't put while loop again now. You cannot see. While loop is not like for loop. Var I assignment operator 0. Okay. So you can do your semicolon. Do your semicolon. Okay, good. Now hit enter. Hit enter. Okay. Now you can type your while. No, type your while. Okay, you want to do for the drinks, right? No, let's do for food first. Then you replicate it for drinks. Wow. Go ahead now. Wow. 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 Type wow. Okay. Then so in this case now, we don't know how many favorite foods the person wants to add. So we'll just use that our while true loop, the one that will be repeating until we want it to end.
While
While true. So in the bracket you will put no, true, TRUE. In the parentheses you will put TRUE. Nice. Okay, so close your parentheses. Okay. Then open your curly brace. Open curly brace. Okay. All right. You can now hit enter and do your var reply. Okay. Okay. All right. So do your assignment operator and prompt. Okay. Prompt function. So in the prompt function, in between the quotation marks, you need to say Please enter your favorite food. Okay. Then in bracket, yeah. No, no, we're not done. No, we're not done. So you will now put like a bracket before you close the quotation mark. You've not opened any quotation mark. Oh, quotation mark. Now after the food, put a bracket there too. Don't worry, it will not confuse JavaScript. Just put another
Where
bracket.
the
After,
bracket
after please enter your favorite food.
parentheses.
Yes, there. No, still within that place. Yes, there. Opening bracket, not closing bracket. Uh-huh. Okay. Then now say enter, enter, stop. Enter stop to end. Enter stop, stop. 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 Enter stop to end. To end. 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 Now remove that other two there. Now close the bracket after that end. Close the bracket there. Close the bracket there. All right. Now go to the end of that line and put a semicolon. No, I said go to the end of that line and put a semicolon. Semicolon. Okay. Okay. So you can hit enter. Hit enter now. Go. Okay. So we're going to now so let's pretend that the person has typed in their favorite food. So their favorite food will go into the variable called reply, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we're going to add that reply to the array for favorite food. So just type the name of your array, faves underscore foods. Faves underscore foods.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. Where's your underscore? Okay. Now push. Dot push. Then open parentheses and then reply.
And then
Reply like the name of the variable. I hope you are not thinking of putting quotation mark there.
no.
Good. Because there's no need for quotation mark. It's a variable. It's the content that we want to add, not, you understand, it's not something that we're displaying. If it was something that we're displaying, you can put quotation mark. Or if it was a string, it's okay to put quotation mark, but this is the content of what we're putting in. All right, semicolon. Semicolon.
What about drinks?
You will do the one for drinks. Let's do the one for foods first. Do you understand? Let's
Yes.
sort it out first. Once you sort out the one for food, it's okay. You will see that the one for drinks will be easy. It will just be copy and paste. All right, so hit enter. Now, you have put it, what you have done with that push is to put it inside the array. I hope you remember that.
I should.
What you did, that dot push that you just typed now, has put the favorite food that the user put into reply. It has put it inside the array. I hope you know that.
Yes.
If you did not remember, remember it now. Okay. Now the next thing that we're now going to do is to check, right?
Yes.
Okay, you know what to um you know what we're going to do? Close the curly brace for this guy. Close the curly brace. Now, you know what? I think the best way to do this thing, let's use do while. I'm even thinking, should we use do while? I'm thinking we should use do while.
I
Okay,
should.
you know what? Don't worry. Before that faves underscore foods dot push, uh, put your cursor in front of it and hit enter. Let's put a space. Let's put one statement before it. Before it, not after it. Before it, not after it. Thank you. You understand? Good. Now, yes. So there we're going to use an if statement. If you know how to type if statement now. What else? Don't tell me that you have forgotten now. Is that how to type if statement? You've forgotten the parenthesis. If, immediately after if, open the parenthesis for the condition. You know? Parenthesis. Parenthesis. Where is parenthesis? Bracket. If reply, go ahead. If reply, thank you for closing that space. If reply double equals to, if reply equals to double assignment operator, that's what I mean. Then open your quotation mark, double quotation mark, double quotation mark. Now type the word stop, S-T-O-P, S-T-O-P. No, careful, S-T-O-P, not S-S-T-O-P, S-T, I close the quotation mark, close the quotation mark, and then close the parenthesis. Close the parenthesis. On that same line, type break, space, break, B-R-E-A-K, B-R-E-A-K, semicolon, semicolon. Good. Okay, that's fine. All right, let's test now. We're not done, no. So go to the closing curly brace. Move your cursor to there and hit enter. Let's add something. Okay. After the closing, after, not before it. We're not adding things to the while loop again. We're done with the while loop. So it's after it. Okay. Now, you know what I want to do? I want us to, you see that space that is under the images? Let's use that space to display what the current favorite food array looks like. Do you understand now?
Towards.
To display. Do you understand? Or do you want us to still use the
Hello.
alert?
Towards.
Do you want us to still use the alert to display? To display. Should we use the alert?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
All right, now go and do a copy and paste. Just do a copy and paste for the first one. That's faves food. Faves food. Faves food. The for loop now. It's not only that. It's not only that one you copy now. The whole for loop. Uh-huh. I have copy. Have you copied it?
Yes.
Uh-huh. I have pasted it there.
Paste.
Yes, paste. Okay. Now in the alert, before the after right after the quotation mark, right after the quotation mark, after the quotation mark, after it, uh-huh, put the word new, N-E-W, new, N-E-W, uh-huh. Do you know why we're putting new there?
New faves fry food.
Do you know why we're putting?
No.
Because it now has the user's own favorite food. Do you remember when we said that the first one that we've typed in, all these ones that you put before at the beginning of the program, that's the one that we're offering the user. But now we now ask the user to add his own or her own, isn't it?
Oh, yes.
So it's not going to be a new one. It's not. It will now have the ones that we type along with the one that he or she added. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Do you want to test it or do you want to do the one for drinks immediately?
Test it.
All right, go ahead, save and test. That's actually the best way to go about it. You don't just be adding code. Then after everything is full, you will now come and try testing it. It may take, you know, a while. Okay. Can you see it's repeating?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Did you notice that it's repeating? It's because of that true, that thing that you said while true. Whenever you put you put true in a while loop, it's a forever loop. Oh, I'm telling you. So until you find a way to end it, and for our own code, for it to end, you have to type the word stop. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Can you see it ended now?
Yes. Will
That's
come
good.
again after this.
Can you see did you see that I added what you put?
Yes.
Uh-huh. You were saying something. Will it come again?
I, I didn't. I thought it would come again.
Okay, no, it won't. It won't. If you wanted it to come again, then you have to refresh the page.
Okay.
Did you notice that it added the thing that you typed in? Did you notice?
Yes.
Uh-huh. So is that what we wanted to achieve? that the user can type in their own favorite food and it will add it.
And it will
add it to the list of
add it to
favorite
the
food.
pic. Yeah.
Right?
And you will add it
Yes.
here. Oh, I didn't
Yes,
check.
it will not. Now, do you know what?
You add it
It
on
will
the
not add.
pictures.
Okay, on the pictures, that might be a bit complicated though if you want to start adding pictures. Do you get?
No, that's
Uh-huh,
okay.
uh-huh. So I think it's better the way you're doing it. Just when the person type it in, then to add it there.
Add it to where?
It will look at it now. Look, the first one. What was the last one that you put in your array? Was it not chicken with tea
Yeah.
and bread? Did you see it?
Oh yes.
Did you know?
You add
Did you
it to your
notice it?
first agenda. Yes.
So do you want to do the one for drinks or do you want to do the one for drinks as homework?
The one for drink.
You want to do the one for drinks now, or you want to do it as
Yeah.
your homework?
I want to do it now.
All right, go ahead. So go ahead and do it now. So we can go back to the code. Yeah, copy and paste. That's what makes it fun because now we have seen the one that for food, the one for food works. So the one for drinks, we're expecting it to work too. Why are you changing it? Oh, okay. Sorry, I've seen what you've done. Don't worry. Continue. Continue. I've seen it. I've seen it. But remember to change that I to J. You cannot have two by I. Uh-huh. So change that I there to J. In fact, you know what I noticed? We don't even need that by I. Remove the by I and J. I think we somehow I noticed that we can do without both of them. So let's not have any unnecessary code. Uh-huh. Do you remember what I called code that you don't need? Do you remember the term that we use for that? Okay. Redundant code. Redundant. Redundant code. Redundant. The word redundant is, the word redundant itself means something. Okay.
Okay.
Redundant. When something is redundant, it's as if it's useless. It's just there sitting like a sitting duck.
Do I have to change the push?
No.
Okay.
That push is an array function. So both faves drinks and faves food being arrays, they have push. Do you understand now?
Yes.
Okay. Are you done? Do you want to test it?
Yeah. Let me check.
Are you done?
No, I'm done.
All right, cool. All right now. So go ahead and test your code. Let's see. Now remember, let's scroll up. Let's look at your array for drinks and your array for food so that we know the one that was the last one. Because it's only adding after the last one.
Wing.
So for
Team and
the
chicken
one,
wing.
then what the last one
Team and
is
chicken
team
wing.
and chicken wings. Okay, no problem. That even sounds like a wonderful combination. Team and chicken wings, like a chilled team bottle of team, right?
Yeah. And you now have chicken wings.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm using the milk. Milk.
This is for favorite food, though.
Oh,
So, see, remember, favorite comes before favorite drink.
Mama, which food is good with milkshakes? Chips.
You're still on favorite food, though? Uh-huh. So this one is favorite food. Okay. What happened? It did not do for drinks, though.
It did, but it didn't show for drinks.
So let's go and check. Let's check your code. What happened? Okay. Okay.
Wow.
Have you seen what happened? Have you seen what happened?
That too. No.
So the first one said, well through, um, please enter your favorite. Okay. Reply equals stop, break.
Yes.
No, I've not seen any error yet. I'm still looking at it.
Yes. What is that to tell you that you are preaching to me?
Okay. Did you save your code? Did you save your work?
Yes.
Did you refresh the page?
Yes.
Let's try again. Okay. This one is for food.
What is drink?
It's not done now. You remember you have to stop the one for food before the one for drink will show up.
Oh,
So have you entered the one for food yet? Uh-huh. So what did
yes.
you add to chicken wings, chips and chicken? Can you see the one for drink showing now? Uh-huh. Remember, that's why I said
Yes.
that anytime you see changes to your code, what should you do? Always save it. What happened? That one was empty.
Yeah. New phase drink equals 16 and 17. I'm so hungry looking at this, especially one
Maybe
all of
that's
them.
because it's not. Have you had breakfast? Hmm? Have you had
No,
breakfast? Uh-huh.
no.
That's another factor. Okay. So we've added for drinks, and I think it's working like we planned it. Do you have any
Yes,
questions?
on the code.
Yes, or anything at all?
He explained it all while we were doing the code.
Okay.
Moving, moving, moving.
Okay. Don't share your screen and go back to
Moving.
the. Okay. Now let's add. I want us to add something to the body of the code. Then I'll tell you what we will do with it. Maybe I'll send you something to like code to add so that you see how it will show.
A
So
code.
yes, it's in the body. So you have to go to the body area of your code. Go to the body area of your code. Uh-huh. Now after the images, after the greater than, the last greater than for the last image. Yes, there. You can hit enter. Okay. So now we're going to type less than and put div. We're going to create a div there.
Where's my phone?
Uh,
Div. D for dog. Div. No. Div. Veronica. V for Veronica.
EID.
D for dog. I for indigo. V for Veronica. Uh-uh. Yeah, I'm mixing it up.
Div.
Div. D for dog.
Div.
Thank you.
But
Yes,
I
thank
just
you.
said div.
I did now, but you were not hearing me. So I had to say D for dog, I for indigo, and V for Veronica. Okay, put a space. Put a space there. And then you know what to do now. ID attribute. Do your ID attribute. Then put your assignment operator and quotation marks, double quotation marks. Okay, so we're going to call this one foods. Foods. Foods and drinks. Maybe we should just make it foods and drinks, Abby. I didn't need to do a separate one. Okay, just make it foods. No, make it just foods. Make it just food. Just food. Go by. Okay, close your quotation mark. Close your quotation mark. Close your quotation mark. Okay. Put a space. Put a space. Let's add a star to it. Okay. Are you still there?
Yes.
Okay. Let's add a star to it. You know how to add style, right?
Huh?
You know how to add style to your div.
Style.
Yes, Style. Mm-hmm. Okay. Can you put a star? I'm even thinking maybe we should just leave it like that.
I
Okay.
put style.
Okay, don't you know what? Let's okay, yeah, okay, go ahead. Put your assignment operator. Assignment operator. Quotation mark. Quotation mark. Yes. Quotation mark after the assignment operator. Okay. We'll say font size. Font
Huh?
size. Font size. Font dash size. Font dash size. They should be together with dash in between. Yes. Then colon. Colon. Okay, let's say 200 sorry, who is it 200%? Okay, let's use 100 px. 100 px. Yes, 100 pixels. Okay. If it's too big, we'll reduce it. Don't worry, we can change it. Um okay, font size. Okay. Okay, close your quotation mark. Don't forget to close your quotation mark before you put what you just put. Uh-huh. I have close. No, that's not you do div now. Div is not like image. Div has an opening tag separate from its closing tag. So now move your cursor outside there. Move your cursor outside there. Now put another less than div div. Uh-huh. Sorry, before the div forward slash. Sorry, before the d forward slash. Yes. forward slash, then close greater than after the V. Greater than after the V. Okay. Yes. Now, in between that greater than and less than, type foods. FOODS. No, in between, not there, not there, not there. Uh-huh. Yes, good. That's it. You can put it in capital letters if you want. Okay. Okay, good. All right. So now we're ready for the code. So go back to the go to the yes, the while loop. Where is that while loop? The one for favorite food. That's it. Scroll down small,
No, it's here.
slowly.
One
Uh,
for favorite food is here.
yes. Is that the one for favorite? That's the one for favorite drinks. The one you just highlighted is for drinks. The one above it is for food. Uh-huh. Yes. Okay. So it's not actually that one I'm going to touch. Look at the follow. Can you see your follow there for favorite food?
It one for favorite food.
No, no. Foods. Down inside the one that came after the while loop now for favorite food. The one that came after the while loop for favorite food. Okay, yes, exactly. That one. Yes. So yes, the one that has new favorite food. Good. Now in that one, yes. So under the alert, we're going to put something under the alert. So you can put your cursor before the closing curly brace, before it on the left hand side. Yes, good. So now this is where we're going to do what we've done before. So do you remember uh va you say vadi? Do you remember vadi? No, lower case. The capital letter is still on vadi, and then put your assignment operator now. By now you should know once you type a verse something, assignment operator must come after it. Go ahead now. The document.get element by ID. Document.get element by ID. Document.get element by ID. Be careful, get the element is capital E. Good. You still remember element by and then ID. Yes, correct. Then open your parentheses and quotation mark. And what did you call that div back there? Was it food?
Eh?
It was food, right? Was it food that you called it? What did you call it back there?
What?
What did you call it? The div,
What?
div, the div, the ID of that, the ID of the div. Okay, we called it food. No, no, not the inside, the ID attribute. Uh-huh. Okay, I go back. That's what I was looking for. Go back to the code. Go back to where we were working. Uh-huh. I type foods there in lower case, so it has to be exactly in the same case. All in lower case. Uh-huh. Close the quotation mark.
A copy
Close the
of this.
quotation and close the parenthesis. And then semicolon. Semicolon. and hit enter. You know what we should even do? Don't worry, we're almost done. That line that you just put now, let's take it, let's put it before the for loop. Let's put it before the for loop, before that for loop. So cut it,
All of
highlight
them.
it and cut it. No, just that line that you just typed now. Everything, yes. Cut. Good. Put it, can you see? Not there now, not there. Uh, is that where, that's not where I'm asking you. Go back to the while loop for food. While loop, under the while loop for food. Under the while loop for food. Under it, after it's closing curly brace. After it's closing curly brace. Uh-huh. I hit enter and put it there. Hit enter and put it there. Control V. Good. Fill up that space. Okay. Now go back to that place where we were typing. Go back to that place where we were typing. No? Is that where we were typing? Inside the while loop now. Inside the for loop, sorry. Inside the for loop. For food, not for drink. Don't don't get it mixed up. Oh. Under the alert. Under the alert for new favorite food. Under the alert for new favorite food. Under. Today we're not going to do what we want to do. Email. No, now I said under, not under. On. I didn't say top. Under. We go under, not on top. Yes. D.inner HTML. D.inner HTML. Capital HTML. They should be together, no space. No space. No space in between the inner and HTML. Plus equals to. Plus equals to. No space again. Equals to that. Sorry, plus assignment operator. Sorry. Plus one assignment operator. Plus and one assignment operator. Plus and one assignment operator. Plus and one assignment operator. No space in between. Yes. Okay. Then after the assignment operator, put your what's going to be there now? Faves foods, faves underscore foods, faves underscore faves underscore foods, faves underscore foods. You added S now, don't forget. Then your square bracket, and then a square bracket and no space now. Square bracket, is that square bracket? Square bracket. square bracket, square bracket. Square bracket. Okay, then put a plus there, normal plus and concatenator, space concatenator, space concatenator, and then quotation mark and BR in between your quotation mark. I think you have forgotten you moved the BR, so it's no more there. You have to type that one there. Yes. BR / greater than, then close the quotation mark and semicolon. Okay, semicolon. That's all. Okay. So did you take note of all the things that we did? Because you repeat it for drink as your homework. Maybe when you finish eating. Did you take note of all that we did? Did it concatenate? It did not concatenate. Okay, so you know what we'll do? We'll, when you are maybe we will do this thing. We will.
So that when these boys come to carry the ballot, they will discharge, they will support.
We'll work on it maybe in our next class. I'll see if there's any changes that we can make to the code. Did it work?
It's just after I'm done, you just press code. You just show the code.
It did not show any other thing, Abby.
No. If I want to make my thing, do I only have to copy and
For drinks, right?
yes.
Yes. But I'm wondering why the one for food did not show on the body
Yeah.
of the this thing.
I said, tell me your name. Wait till you tell me. I call the person. I know that. So, I know another person will come like that.
Document or get element by ID. It's supposed to work now.
You see, I now want to verify the traditional. That is just like this. One other one. I don't know what to call it. The other like that. When I say you name like a phone or something, you got one. They say that one. I'm not going to say come. Come. I said, wait. You can't come. Yes, I tell them make you come. I said, wait. I'm not there like that. So we let the guy told me. He said, yes. He just said, get plenty. He said, me, I don't say like that. I say like that, but things don't go wrong. Because they pray for you. I say, yes, pray myself your prayer. He said, you pray like that. I say,
Did you refresh your page?
Yeah.
Can you see there's a problem? It's not showing. You're supposed to put those things that it was showing in your code. You're supposed to put them there, but it's not showing them. It's just showing the content of the this thing.
Will we
It's
fix
not
it in
showing
our
them.
class?
All right, no, yeah, we can fix it in our next class. No problem.
Okay.
Yeah. All
Bye.
right. Yeah. All right. Bye bye.